Hey everybody, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I want to do a couple of pours. I'm going to do two different dipped pours using the same color scheme, a little bit different look with each one. I am going to be using the Hippie Crafter pouring acrylics again today. I'm really loving these pre-mixed paints, and so got a little color scheme in mind that I want to use. So I'm going to use one with a white background, one with a black background. Get, like I said, two completely different looks. But I hope you enjoy them. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, leave me a thumbs up. Let's get right to it.